Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the Marshall Minor Roman 2. Make sure it has at least 20% charge and is powered off. This avoids interruptions. Then press and hold the power button for about 5 to 8 seconds until the LED flashes blue and red. That tells you it's in pairing mode. Next, open Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and leave the Bluetooth panel visible so devices can find each other. Once visible, keep the earbud near your device to ensure a strong initial handshake. You now choose the Marshall Minor Roman 2 from the Bluetooth list. Tapping the exact device name starts the link. If your device asks for confirmation or a PIN, accept the request or enter 0000. That's a common default. Once connected, the headset's LED will switch to a steady blue and your phone will show connected. That's the visual and system confirmation that audio and controls can flow. Make sure to test audio playback and volume control to verify full functionality. To finish, check sound by playing music and using call controls. You're done when both work reliably. If pairing fails, first forget the Marshall Minor Roman 2 in your device's Bluetooth settings, then restart both the headset and phone before trying again. If problems persist, reset the headset by holding the power button for 10 or more seconds and re-enter pairing mode. Finally, make sure your phone's Bluetooth firmware and codec settings are current. That often fixes dropouts and improves audio quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.